Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you a trick on removing those really locked Garmin Quick Connect pins that's used in the newer Garmin Phoenix and Apex watches. And those pins are different as opposed to the regular watch pin. I'll show you. The regular watch pin is not locked, so you can easily remove the regular watch pin without any extra tools. This one, you do need some extra modified or I guess makeshift tools to remove, because if you look over here, this is my Garmin Apex 2. Those pins are kind of like hidden behind this little spring bar, and there is no way for you to easily remove them, okay? I'm going to show you a trick that I applied, which actually made removal a 10-second job, okay? It was like super easy after I did that. And before that, I tried just using the little, a knife, like utility knife, and just try to pry this, and in hope that eventually it would actually pop off, but it never pops off, okay? But this is the way to do it. You just need a additional support, and I'm gonna show you what you need, and you don't even need anything extra. All you need is the bottom part of your watch strap, okay? So stuff this on the bottom. So the trick in removing those springs is actually applying pressure on the back side of this pin. If you have pressure on the back side of the pin, it's super easy to remove it. And I'm gonna show you in a second. And yeah, anything with pressure applied on the back, so it's really tight right now. So this thing is actually pushing it out. And at this moment, try the method with the utility knife again, and it should be able to fairly easily get this out. Now I'm gonna try this on the spot with you guys and see if I'm able to get it out. See? This is less than 5 seconds. And that's how you're gonna remove this. Remember, you need to apply pressure on the back. If you don't apply pressure and you use that method you see on YouTube, you'll never be able to get it out, okay? So apply pressure and just lightly pry with this kind of motion, kind of like try to dig it out, and it will come out with less than 10 seconds. So now, the reason I want to get it out is not because the Quick Connect system is not good, but I really want to use a aftermarket strap that I bought. That's like a one-piece strap that could easily be applied and easily take on and take off. And it's a lot more comfortable because it's fabric. This silicone thing actually creates a lot of sweat. I sweat a lot, so it's really not comfortable. And so yeah, if you want to try aftermarket straps, especially those fabric straps, you need to know how to take it out. And I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please just do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I will have more, Garmin related videos coming out for you guys. So thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. All right, just to show you guys, this is with the old pin removed, and this is my new strap, which is elastic and very comfortable and super easy to remove and take off. So yeah, cheers.